Aerify Capture is the simplest way to measure aeration. Let's get started. You'll need the Aerify Capture app and an Aerify Capture kit, available for purchase directly through the app. Fill the Aerify Capture kit with fluid until it begins to overflow into the side chamber. This ensures an accurate measurement. Allow a few seconds for the temperature indicator to register the sample temperature. In the app, tap Take a Measurement and use your phone's camera to take a picture perfectly parallel to the side of the Aerify Capture kit, opposite the label. Wait for the sample to fully deaerate. The app includes a built-in timer as a reference. Once the fluid is fully deaerated, take a second image under the same lighting conditions and from the same perfectly parallel angle. The Aerify Capture app instantly calculates the aeration percentage of your sample. Add notes for future reference, export data as a CSV file, or track trends with the built-in graphing tool. Take control. Stop aeration before it stops you.